this is a bit of a hidden gem, I would say. I think many of the people that live here even don't know. If you go to the service elevator, go to the 41st floor, and then you will reach this one here. Good afternoon. I'm here at the Planchit BTS station in the middle of the Planchit area, and the reason that I'm here is because for Sukhumvit Homes I need to film a 2-bedroom unit here in the Noble Planchit. And the Noble Planchit is a building that opened in 2017. It has 1442 units. There are 3 towers, and I have to go to Tower C, which has 46 floors. One of the main features of this building is that it's directly connected to the BTS station. So let me show you how easy it is to get into the Noble Planchit. You can take the exit number 1. Yeah, after you take exit number 1, it's just a short walk to the sky bridge that connects directly to the building. Here you have the office of Noble. This used to be the sales office of the Noble Planchit, but they just kept it as their main office here. I don't think there is any other apartment building in Bangkok that is as close to the BTS as this one. You literally walk from the BTS into your building. So here you can just walk in and then go straight into the building. Sawadee. So this is the central lobby area. 2 of the towers are connected with this, which is Tower C and Tower B. And Tower A is behind. You cannot see it from here. So this is Tower B. And then here we have Tower C. Yeah, in this building you have 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units and a few bigger units, but most of them are the smaller type. The unit that I have for today is 117 square meters. So let me go to the elevator. See, Christmas is already finished, but we're still in the spirit here. So this is the main lobby in Tower C. So, but let me first bring you to the swimming pool area. Yeah, the only drawback of the swimming pool here is that it's mostly in the shadow. So this is Tower A. Yeah, nicely landscaped everywhere. from the first moment that I saw this building, you know, I always like to have this kind of slides and stuff like that. So this is a bit of a kids pool, kids area. And inside Tower A, you will find the gym. So let's go to the room. It's all automated here. One of the cool features of the normal Planchette is that every unit has a private elevator. So you walk straight into your room. So this is a 2-bedroom unit, and it's 117 square meters. You have a nice view of the ASOK area. By the way, this is the Rosewood Hotel, which is next door. The hotel is closed at the moment. Yeah, so the asking price for a 1-year lease is 90,000 Thai baht per month. So let me show you the master bedroom. This one has a nice big, yeah, this is not a walk-in closet, walk-by closet. Nice modern toilets. So let me show you the second room as well. These are actually 2 single units that have been combined to make 1 2-bedroom. It's quite near to the highway, but let me just close the door so that you can hear the difference in the noise. See, there is a big noise reduction. Here on the 41st floor, you have a nice, let's say, sky terrace, rooftop terrace. And this is a bit of a hidden gem, I would say. I think many of the people that live here even don't know. If you go to the service elevator, go to the 41st floor, and then you will reach this one here. So this tower, Tower C, has 46 floors. There, Tower B, the highest tower in the building, has 50 floors. Yeah, you have a great view of the whole area here. BTS is coming through. Here you have the Central Embassy Mall. There, the old British Embassy that's been removed and will be replaced by a big construction. Then the Krungsri Bank. And here Park Ventures with the Okura Prestige Hotel. And then down here you have a great view of the whole Sukhumvit area with Nana, ASOK, and all the way in the back you get to Thong Lo and Ekka Mai. The BTS station is right down here. Yeah, these 2 towers that you see here in front, that is the Rosewood Hotel. If you're actually interested in renting an apartment here, just let us know. We have several units at hand. And if you're interested in renting any apartment in Bangkok that is a little bit more on the high end, so let's say if your budget is about 75,000 baht plus, we will be more than happy to help you. You can send me an email at info@sukhumvithomes.com and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. You can check the videos on the Sukhumvit Homes YouTube channel, but it's better if you just contact us directly, and then we will just have a look for you and see what we can find. So I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.